commodity space. Manisha Gupta joins in to tell us about copper.
Well, in limelight clearly has been the copper prices trading at all-time highs yet again in Comex there, where we are holding above $5.22 per pound there. Well, US could impose 25% tariffs on copper imports in weeks rather than months is what really has led to a very bullish sentiment into the markets there. US imports nearly 50% of its requirement and imports nearly 900,000 tons of copper every year. But if you look at the quantum right now, versus an average 70,000 tons of import on a monthly basis, 500,000 tons is what is en route to US, and that has led to a very huge premium in the US markets there, where it is trading at a 19% premium to the front month, and the Comex is now trading to a premium of 23% in the next 12 months as well. So bullishness continues, though the markets, of course, are putting out a word of caution that we have seen price disparity too huge, and if the 2nd April doesn't bring in reciprocal tariffs as the world is imagining, then you would be looking at some sharp correction coming in for copper prices from here on.
Thank you, Manisha, for that. We will slip into a very short break. We'll come back and discuss market technicals. Apurva Sheth, Head of Research at Samco Securities, will join in with his top trading bets.
How important was it for you to move domicile back to India? What was the motivation there?
When we think about where do we go public, it's a very clear answer that we will go public in India because this is our home ground.
It's a heavy cost, but it's a small price to pay.
When are we looking at a possible listing?
You know, that's minimum 2 years away.
You've spent the last 1 year trying to recoup market share on account of the embargo that the Reserve Bank, for instance, had put.
When this industry started, when we started 10 years back, we were not regulated. This space was not regulated. In the last 10 years, digital payments have grown massively. So I think it's kind of coming of age.
When do you take a call that, okay, we bet on this, it didn't work out, let's shutter this and move on to the next?
Happens very frequently when you're an experimental org, when you're trying these moonshots. A lot of times those moonshots will not reach the pace that you want them to reach. It's okay to take a pause, move it to something else.
Origins of Razorpay, 99 rejections before the 100th one finally succeeded.
It's not about me, right? It's not about me.
Sounds like relationship advice.
It's very important to not take things personally, as simple as that.